Hi everyone, this is Darren Hopcroft from Fine & Country in Rickmansworth, and this is my national premium market update. So, demand for premium property across the country continues to outstrip supply, with asking prices hitting record highs for the third month in a row. However, here in Rickmansworth we're still seeing a number of properties come onto the market and not sell, due to the wrong pricing strategy being put in place, with prices being overinflated regardless of the buoyant market. So in my opinion, pricing and exposure is still key to getting the best price for your home. Over 330,000 properties were sold in the first quarter of 2022, a 13% increase in comparison to 2019. Nationwide indicates that 38% of all homeowners across the country are currently considering moving. Trading up to a larger property remains on the agenda for 1 in 4, rising to 38%, those aged between 35 to 44. 20CI estimate that in all regions of England and Wales there is just under 2 months of property stock left to sell, down by nearly half on historical numbers. Whilst the average mortgage rate remains low by historic standards, this month the Bank of England has increased the rate of interest by 1%, a fourth consecutive increase due to the surging inflation. At 7%, inflation is set at a 30-year high and is set to increase as food, fuel and energy prices continue to rise. At just over 2%, the average mortgage rate remains low. Annual price growth in the prime markets of England and Wales has been above 5% since the market reopened in June 2020, with the threshold of prime property increasing by over 100,000. The cost of a detached premium property has increased by 17%, whilst flats or apartments are at 10%. Prospective buyers seem less concerned about escaping the hustle and bustle of London or urban life than they were over a year ago. Key stats here in the southeast: premium property threshold is currently at 948,000 in comparison to London at 1.5 million. The average sales price over the last 12 months is just shy of 1.4 million, a 7.3% increase on the average property price in the last 12 months. And the average property price per square foot is £565. With all this in mind, I think the market here in Rickmansworth will remain strong for the coming months due to a lack of available stock, and I think easy access back into London, the surrounding airports and great schools, we will continue to see more and more buyers moving out of London and enjoying everything we have to offer here in Rickmansworth. So for further information on the property market here, give me a call. It's Darren Hopcroft on 07944 283 290. Thanks.